Let's see how we can convert a contingency table into a decision tree. If I have a contingency table like this, which has got only 2 columns and 2 rows, it's very easy. You just draw the female, male, and the options for each of the female. Yes, no, both for female and male is easy. But supposing if I have a contingency table like this one, which has got 9 different columns and 2 rows for them, it would not be very nice to draw female, male, and then 10 or 9 different options for each of them. You can do it the bottom up or the top down method, which is taking day stayed and then for each of the day, male, female option. So let's just copy this and then put it into a new sheet. So let's see how it can be done. So it's going to start with the number of days that stayed. So let's put it at the top. So this is days stayed. And we know that for a decision tree, the total number of items that have been taken is same as the grand total. So the grand total is 100. So I type 100 here. Now, the values that the state can take is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 9 different values. For each of the option, we have male, female possibility. So what I would do now here is I will take the values of the day state 0, leave a space, 1, space, 2, space, 3. So I have split the values in this format. So it starts with the days, right? And now for each of this value, what should be the total number of items that should be present? So 0 day stay, there are totally 23. So the total number should be 20. So this is variable value, and here is the total. Variable value and the total. So I just shared this part as the first level. This is our first level, level 1. So how many for 0? It's 13. Sorry, for 0, 23, 1, 12, 13, 16 becomes a little more easier because you just need to write down the same values that you have as in the table. 10, 7, 4, 4, and 2. So again, let's check whether we have done it correctly. If I select all of these values that are there, it should total to 100. Yes, they total to 100. Now for each of this option, 0, 1, 2, etc., we have 2 possibilities. It's either a female or male. Let's put it down, female, male. So this is stage 2. This is stage 2. And number of females with 0 days. Number of females with 0 is 9. So this is 9. Number of male with 0 days is 14. 14. So if you add these two, 14 plus 9, 23. Okay. So you can just make an alignment to show it in the center. This also just make it to show it, and I'll select all of these cells so that it is aligned to the center. Now comes the next values for 1. Again, you have female, male. So how many female are there? This is 7 and 6. Again, female, male. So we just fill it across like this so it becomes easier. I just note down the values below each of them. For 3, it is female is 8 and 21. Sorry, 8 and 13. 4 and 6. 6 and 1. 3 and 1. Again, 3 and 1. It is 0 and 2. So this becomes our second level. This becomes our second level. Now each of them is a separate activity. Okay. So you can again use insert shapes. You can start from 100 days. This is the first option. This is the second option. This is the third option. This is the fourth possibility. This is the fifth possibility. Then the sixth. So you can keep drawing the arrows like this also. So from 0, there are two possibilities, female, male. Same works with the other options as well. From here, it becomes female to male. So you can just do it this way. So this also forms a decision tree. Instead of putting it vertically, we are putting it horizontally, so it's easy to accommodate the multiple values that are present. So depending on how you have the values being arranged on the columns and the rows, you can choose to put it either top down or left right possibility. Now if you have to calculate probabilities,